Again, join your palms. Inhale. Take your arms up. Same hip, 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 armpit, throat, armpit. Stretch and then stretch forward. Now, you have to push the toes, otherwise you will be back on your heels. Come down. Hold your big toes. So lift your big toes. Hold them. Pull the muscles of your abdomen in. So your hip is here. Your armpit is here. Hamstring stretch now. So the buttock bone should lift away from your heel. Lift. And take the armpits close to the floor. Take the head close to the floor. So the spine is also stretching. Inhale, lift the chest. Join your palms. Inhale, come up. Stretch. And take the palms on the chest. Exhale. Take your arms down. Once again, join your palms. Inhale. Open up. Exhale. And hold your big toes. Push your toes down. Pull the muscles of your abdomen in. Take your armpits close to the floor. Take the head close to the floor. And then lift your buttock bones away from your heels. That's giving you the forward extension. The armpit hip work is opening your spine and your back. And then join your palms. Inhale, come up. Stretch. Take the palms on the chest. And down. Stand straight. Breathe. Take your left leg. Place it next to the angled line. Next to the angled line. Place your right foot forward. Place it next to the center line. Your heels should not be on the center line. Now turning your whole left leg in, keep your right leg slightly bent. Turn your whole left leg in to center your hip. So it's that hip rotation inwards of your left hip in. Moving your right knee inwards because we want to straighten the leg. The lower shin bone and the ankle have to work more now. So the right knee in and then make the leg straight. You should have a tension here down because we want to correct the lower shin bone. Join your palms. Now turn your hips slightly in, because you don't want to come down there in the center, but slightly your head has to come towards your leg. Na? Otherwise it will come on the center line. You want the head on your right leg, so you have to turn slightly in. Inhale, take your arms up. Same, work between the hip armpit, hip throat. And then stretch forward. Push your toes. Stretch your arms. Now see, the arms are out like that. So they're away from the feet. Pull the muscles of your abdomen in. And then join your palms, stretching, inhale, come up. Stretch, take the palms on the chest and change the leg. Now take your right leg back and your left leg forward. Right leg, right thigh, turning in. So it's that hip rotation inwards. Turning your left knee in. Make the leg straight. Now you need to turn your hip a little more in because your head has to come on the leg. Na? Inhale. Stretch between the hip, armpit, throat. And forward and down. And then join your palms. Inhale, come up. Stretch. And take the palms on the chest. Stand in Tadasana. Breathe. Shoulders behind your ears. Shoulders behind your ears. Take your left knee back and down. Now the more you take your left knee back, the more intense your stretch will be of your lower back. It's a side stretch, as I said. Now take the palms on the chest. Inhale, take your arms up, because now this is the natural space of your hip. From here, turn, lift, hip, armpit, throat, and moving in, stretch forward, hold, pull the muscles of your abdomen in, and down. Use the brick or head on the leg, both are fine. And join your palms, inhale, come up. Take your arms down. Change the leg. Again, left leg forward, right knee back. Join your palms. Inhale, so lift. And turn. That inwards turn, stretch forward. and down. And deep breathing. And join your palms, inhale, come up. Take your arms down. Stretch your legs out. Take your arms slightly behind your hips. Lift your chest.